Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to enable your Telegram sensitive content switch. This is a very simple tutorial and I'm sure you will learn easily if you watch the whole video. The Telegram sensitive content switch allows you to view sensitive content that Telegram has blocked from all users, but if you tap on the switch, you will be able to see it. So just open Telegram and then go to privacy and security. And if you scroll down, you will see that there's actually no switch. That's because Telegram removed it, but they might add it in the next update or the next few updates. So all you can do is wait for it. If that was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.